What's the meaning of acting pilot officer? Acting pilot officer. 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 Acting pilot officer is a rank in the Royal Air Force, typically held by those who have just completed their initial flying training. It is a temporary rank, given to officers as they gain further experience and qualifications necessary for promotion to higher ranks. As an acting pilot officer, one is responsible for performing basic flying duties, including flight planning, communications, navigation, and aircraft control. They serve as co-pilots, assisting their more experienced counterparts in performing various tasks and gaining valuable experience in the process. Ultimately, an acting pilot officer's goal is to gain the necessary experience and knowledge to advance through the ranks of the Royal Air Force.